Hey there, music lovers and SoundCloud enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to change your payment method on SoundCloud in 2025. Whether you're upgrading your subscription, switching credit cards, or just updating your billing info, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. It's super straightforward, and by the end, you'll feel like a pro. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your SoundCloud account on a desktop or mobile app. It's easiest on a computer for this. Once you're in, head over to your profile icon in the top right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings or Account Settings. Don't worry, it's clearly labeled. Now, in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Subscription or Billing section. This is where the magic happens. Click on that, and you'll see your current payment method listed. Look for an option that says something like Manage Payment Methods or Edit Payment Info. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, you'll be prompted to select a new payment method. SoundCloud supports a bunch of options in 2025, like credit cards, PayPal, or even digital wallets. Choose the one you want, and enter the necessary details. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid any hiccups. If you're adding a new card, double-check the expiration date and security code. After you've entered your info, hit Save or Update. SoundCloud might ask you to verify the change, perhaps with a quick email confirmation or a small authorization hold on your card. Once that's done, you're all set. Your new payment method will be active right away. One quick tip. If you run into any errors, like an invalid card, just double-check your details or contact SoundCloud support. They're pretty responsive. And remember, keeping your payment info up to date helps avoid subscription interruptions so you can keep enjoying that awesome music. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and music hacks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and keep the beats going.